Hello, this is the new Hess Truck from 2008, and it's pretty cool. They said it's supposed to be the best one, and I think it is. I do. So, on the bottom, they have the same old lights, regular and flashing. So, they added a lot of buttons on top. The middle big one is probably the coolest. So, you could take this bottom piece down. So the smaller car has a little motor to it, kind of cool. Could also turn on the lights. It works by that little lever turns it on and off, and you go back and forth, the same thing on the other side. So you could scoop up stuff with it, except I haven't figured out what, because this lifts up and down, but I don't even know what to scoop. I'll try to put this back in. It's very hard to get it in. Okay. You just hold this in, and to get it down, there's no buttons, but when you push it down, it makes noises. Kinda cool. Then there's a bunch of other buttons, like this one starts it up. This one's just a regular horn. This one is going in reverse. This one just flashes the lights. So to get it out, you don't have to push that middle button. You could just, what you do, you lift this up, then you pull this down, then and then you could cruise around with this. Hold this back up, and then you got two Hess Trucks. So I wouldn't say there are any negatives on it, because it really is. It comes with batteries and stuff. If anything, it's annoying that you can't move this correctly without having to use the motor, because the wheels sort of like lock. Only the front wheels, but the back wheels are like, I don't know. There's nothing wrong with it, with the truck itself, so it's pretty cool. You could just put this down, try to make it go back up. Sort of got it. And that's really all. That's really all. Well, yeah, that's all. Happy holidays. Bye-bye.